Is cycling good for knee pain? Cycling is good for your knees under the right conditions. Cycling is not good for your knees if you do not fit on the bike, have a poor riding position, or have sudden changes in biking habits. To prevent knee pain while cycling, warm up properly and modify riding habits gradually to avoid injuries. Otherwise, cycling, especially indoor cycling, is easy on knee joints. Here on the gym cycles you can adjust the tension in your seat position, so you will not hurt your knees at all. On some gym bikes you can also adjust the handles. Gym cycles are often recommended as a low-impact workout when compared to treadmills. Cycling is not the main reason for knee-related problems, but it can be a factor. Why is cycling good for knees? Cycling is good for your knees because it increases knee mobility. Cycling is good for your knees in multiple ways, including increasing knee mobility and building leg strength. Cycling can be safely done with or without knee pain, depending on the person's fitness level and riding habits. To maximize the benefits of cycling for your knees, start gradually and build up to a more vigorous workout over time. For people with bad knees, cycling can still be enjoyable and effective if done at a low intensity and with proper warming up and cool downs. Cycling can be good for knees because it is a low-impact exercise. Cycling can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation in the knee area. Cycling can also help maintain flexibility in the hips and legs, which is important for overall knee health. Gym cycles may also help you with knee stiffness. Why cycling for knee pain is most recommended. Cycling is among the most popular knee rehab exercises because it is easy to do, it's low impact, and it's inexpensive. It also burns calories and is a great form of cardio.